Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI, and I love a good storage and organizing solution. So I want to show you this set of China storage boxes from Teemto that do an amazing job at keeping your dishes and glasses safe and also really well organized. So this is a 7-piece set. It is made of a quilted material that's nice and thick, and it offers a lot of padding and protection for your dishes and glasses. This set also comes with 48 felt liners of varying sizes, so you can easily match what will work for each of your dishes. These storage boxes for your stemware and for cups or mugs are really nice because they have these cardboard dividers that you can place inside, and it really keeps your beautiful glasses safe and secure even if you're moving them around. Another nice feature is that these circular containers for your dishes and for your bowls, they come in a bunch of different sizes. So you're gonna be able to choose the right one for your particular bowls or plates so they get a nice, snug, and secure fit, and you can be confident that they're gonna stay safe. I was really interested in this set because I have a move coming up, and I love the fact that these have handles on the side of all of these cases so that you can easily pick them up and move them, transport them, and you know that all of your items are gonna be safe and secure during that move. So whether you are moving or you're just looking for a way to safely store and organize all of your favorite dishes and glasses, these are an awesome choice. I would definitely recommend this set because they give me the confidence that all of my items are gonna be really nice and safe and secure and super well organized. And that is my point of view.